So for eyeshadow, the first shade I'm going to be using is this particular shade, and this is from my Blush Rouge Volume 3. This is a blush powder from Juvia's Place. I am going to be using it as my transition shade. So I'm focusing mainly on the outer corner of my eyes and then gradually dragging it towards my inner crease area. Then to deepen the outer crease area, I'm going to apply dashiki to the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this deep chocolate shade and also apply it towards the outer corner of the eyes. So for my eyelids, I'm going to be applying this shade here. This is the Mothership Utopian palette, and the name of this shade is Skin Show Nude Ecstasy. And I'll be applying it on a damp brush to make the shimmers pop. for setting powder, the first powder I'm going to be using is from Yanga Beauty. This is the Blurfect Smooth Setting Powder. And the shade name is Cinnamon. This is my first time trying this powder. So let's see the magic it does for dark skin. So I dabbed a little bit on my palm. So for my lashes, I'm going to be wearing House of Lashes Midnight Locks. I'll be wearing them outside of the camera. For blush, I'll be applying this same blush that I used as eyeshadow in the beginning. This is the Juvia's Place Blush Rouge Volume 3. And I'll be taking, probably I'll take this shade here. I'm moving to my lips. I don't know what lip option to stick to at the moment. I wanted it to be like a simple lip, you know, my lip liner and then gloss. But then I just stumbled upon this lip gloss that I bought from Juvia's place, I think last year. This is their guava berry pink smoothies lip gloss, and I just applied it once for a particular video, I think a dramatic supermodel blue eyeshadow makeup tutorial. You guys should go and check it out. I'll also link it at the top. I'll put the link to the video at the top of this video. So I'm now like, okay, maybe I should just maybe do 2 lip options. Let's just see what that would look like, or I'll just go straight ahead and apply this. So first things first, I'm going to line my lips, and this is Scorpio from Juvia's place. So the first lip option that I'm going to try is the one with the guava berry. I hope you guys can hear me. It's raining heavily here. So yeah, this is the first lip option I'm going to be trying out. Okay, I am tempted to stop here, and I think I am going to stop here. Yeah, this is so beautiful. I love it. I mean, the lip combo is it just suits the eyes. I love it so much. So next, I'm going to be applying lip gloss. This is I don't know, this is just a random lip gloss that was gifted to me, so I'll put down the name on the description box, but you can use any lip gloss of your choice. This one has like a pink tint to it. So my loves, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. As usual, please drop your comments for me in the comment section, telling me the kind of videos you want to see next. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and hope you make good use out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.